Ini nih yang ditungguin lama banget. Oke.
Blunder tadi nungguin orang berak. Beraknya lama banget. Orang berak tuh orang.
Terus yang jemput kita udah dari tadi nungguin.
Jam 2.
Sekarang udah jam 2 pagi. Biar ini kayak niat banget gitu loh jemputnya. Jam 2 pagi datang ke bandara.
Makan malam kacau ya.
Silver ya. Damn. Hey, Vito being Vito shit Vito.
Oh, Pastor. Gosh. And why does he taking a bag?
Who's
Why does you taking a bag? Needed you? Why do you need a trolley?
I just want to try.
Lame.
Alright.
Cool.
Wait, lebih fokus ya. No need.
Yo.
Pasta.
Yeah, how's your flight?
Amazing.
Huh?
Amazing. But
Amazing.
I hate there is no, what is it, the Cirrus or Visa logo on it. So I think that I already planned, okay, I will take my money in Singapore, Malaysia later in ATM, it's okay. But suddenly I realized, oh my goodness, holy fucking blah blah blah. I cannot do that. So I will take all of my money and I bring my cash right now. So it's very dangerous, you know.
See?
So you're bringing cash right now?
Yes, all of my money.
Oh, cash. Okay. So you need to change the Malaysia ringgit lah.
Yeah.
And Singapore dollar lah.
Yeah. I already changed my Singapore dollar.
You change at where?
No. I only 1 million in Jakarta. Sekarang.
In
Airport.
I don't understand lah. I don't know who will change money in the airport lah. You know, I won't change money in the airport because changing money in the airport is so expensive.
Really?
Is it? Do you change money in the airport?
He suggests me.
No.
Blame him.
Actually, the rate in the airport and then like in the local store, it's not
Similar
really.
lah.
Yeah, it's similar.
Plus, okay, you're not.
But I don't
changing,
know in Malaysia.
You're not changing like
All of
millions and billions. You know, it's okay lah.
Yeah.
But if you're changing billions and billions, maybe there's a lot of difference lah.
I'm changing.
I love that. Who don't love cheap food?
Layan diri, bro.
You're gonna be in my vlog.
Never seen such a good looking petrol station pump before.
Disgusting.
Huh?
Disgusting.
You've never seen such a good looking station abandoned before.
So you just put the token here, there, or your money?
Oh, I just go there and pay.
Uh huh.
And I just said that.
And there is like
that one.
Okay.
bill
Yeah.
to scan it, right?
Oh,
No bill. I just tell them how much, and after that they just
they set the everything here, and you just have to pull that. Okay.
they pull it up and fill up. Yeah, that's all.
Oh, so they manage it everything from there.
It's like in Bandung actually.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm so dusun.
But below 50, under 50, we are the first lah.
Yeah.
Kita go to sleep. Oh, over there.
Okay.
Hey, wait a minute.
No.
Vito?
Vito, what are you doing, Vito? Vito, why must you be like that? Vito, what are you doing? Okay, so this block and this block is a guy's block.
Okay. We just arrived in Jason's hostel and we're gonna heading up.
University Council Vice President. Broke the rules.
See that? So we're gonna be pretending as a student in here.
Because I'm the University One's president. I am not. I'm not doing this like so you use your privilege to blow the rules.
So what? I love that.
Shut up. That's my rule. The toilet is there. Welcome to Cairo. So he will be sleeping here. Vito, you'll be sleeping outside.
Thank you. That's okay. I will let out the outside.
Huh? You sit inside there? Okay. No lah, you.